What's up YouTube? Today in this short video I want to share my experience with liquid metal thermal interface for MacBook after 5 years of using. So this is my old MacBook 2016 with Core i7 that I bought in June 2018, and I actually immediately replaced the thermal interface to liquid metal because it was extremely loud, and under the full load it was 2.4 gigahertz frequency, so it wasn't an option. But problem that we didn't know what will happen with thermal interface in liquid metal in this case after few years of using, because actually liquid metal can react with copper, dissolve in this surface of heatsink, damage it, becomes hard, and as you can see actually it becomes hard. So I remove it with shave and some sandpaper, reapply, place everything again together and start testing. So this is first test with 5 years old liquid metal. Actually it's working same as default interface. So frequency is stable at 2.4 gigahertz. This is lower than base clock 2.7 gigahertz, and of course this MacBook should work with turbo boost if temperature is reasonable. So this is new test with new liquid metal. Frequency is stable at 3.2 gigahertz. This is maximum turbo speed that this MacBook can have, and fan is working only 90% of full speed. Temperature is reasonable. So with replacing liquid metal I got 40% of performance increase, and now I can recommend you replace liquid metal after 2 or 3 years of using of your MacBook. It will give you good performance. That's all. I hope this video was useful. Bye.